Hi, I'm Mary Lang, president of Assumption High School, and I'd like to invite you to attend our upcoming open house. This is a wonderful opportunity to see our beautiful new campus. We've just added 35,000 square feet of space to our campus. That includes a beautiful new entrance, an atrium, wonderful, lovely, beautiful chapel, as well as 10 additional classrooms. That allows us to continue our commitment to keeping class sizes small, keeping our student-to-teacher ratio low. We've also added a big, bright cafeteria. That also allows us to go from 5 lunch periods to 3, giving us the opportunity to expand our rich curriculum even further. So we would love for you to come and experience all this. You have probably heard about our community, our strong community here at Assumption. This is a wonderful opportunity to experience that as well. Our staff, teachers, our students will all be here to guide you through the day and to show you all that Assumption Education has to offer. So we invite you to attend our upcoming open house, and we look forward to seeing you then.